Good day, everyone. Good day, Mom. I am Chianti Munina, a BS Ed English A2 and a group member of 4. My topic is all about the function of stage lighting. So now let's proceed to the function of stage lighting. The function of stage lighting creates the environment of the characters to give meaning to their surroundings, for the scenes to be logically interpreted. Manipulation of intensity, color, and movements of the lights result in shaping the world of the play. The lighting designer's role is to assist in achieving the following function. So meaning, lighting plays an important role in theater because it helps the audience clearly understand what is happening in a scene. It does not only make the actors visible but also sets the moods, reveals details, and supports the theme of the play. The lighting designer carefully adjusts the brightness, color, and direction of the lights to match the story's emotions and actions. So there are the 5 main functions of stage lighting. So now let's proceed. The main 5 functions of stage lighting are selective visibility, composition, revelations of form, establishing the mood, and reinforcing the theme. So now let's proceed to the selective visibility. So what is selective visibility? Selective visibility. In general, lighting allows the actors to be seen and be heard on stage. However, the concept of selective visibility guides the audience on what needs to be seen in the scene. It can be revealing a chill hut or a full revelation of textural details of set pieces on stage. This means that allowing the audience to see only what is important on stage. The lighting focuses the audience attentions on a specific actor, object, or part of the set. Example: in a dramatic scene where an actor delivers a monologue, a single spotlight may be used to focus on the actor while the rest of the stage remains dark. This helps the audience concentrate on the character's emotions. The next one we have a composition. Composition. The rule of stage lighting is to show actors in other stage forms in relation with other elements in the space. Compositional lighting means controlling shadows to achieve a good visual appeal. In this way, lighting the scene reinforces the overlook of the scenic designs in relation to the actors in the space. Meaning, composition refers to how lighting works together with the stage design and other elements to create a balanced and a visually pleasing scene. It controls shadows and highlights to make the stage looks organized and attractive. Example: during a group scene, lighting can be arranged so that all actors are evenly visible without any area being too dark or too bright, making the stage look harmonious. The next one we had the revelation of form. So what is the revelation of form? Scenic forms can be revealed using lights that are controlled by light dimmers to achieve the desired to look and feel. Stage lighting reveals the shapes of the scenic design. Primarily, lights reveal actors' forms by projecting lights to the sides and back of the actors to create a look of dimensionality. So meaning, lighting also help to show the shape and structure of actors and objects on stage. By directing light from certain angles, it can create deep and a three-dimensional effect. Example, in a dance performance, side lighting can highlight the movements and outlines of the dancers' bodies, making their action look more dynamic and clear. And the fourth one, we have the establishing the mood. Establishing the mood. Style lighting creates the mood of the play. The use of color in lighting suggests the feeling of the scene. Using bright light on stage suggests comedy and a happy mood. Long shadows which are placed at high angles suggest tragedy. When lights move to follow an actor, this may suggest a piece of actions. So, different colors and can lighting effects can express emotions and set the mood of the scene. Bright lighting suggests happiness or energy, while dim or colored lighting can express sadness, fear, or mystery. Example, a bright yellow light can be used for a joyful wedding scene, while a dark blue or red light can be used in a tragic or suspenseful scene. Let's proceed to the last one. The reinforcing the theme. This is the last main function of the stage lighting. Lighting a scene means supporting the action of the scene. The lighting designer needs to establish thematic lighting to aid the visual composition of the scene. This is done to get a general feeling of the entire play based on its overall theme. Meaning, lighting supports the story's main message or theme by matching the tone of the play. It strengthens the audience's understanding of what the story is about. Example, in a play about war, the designer might use red or orange lighting to symbolize danger, violence, or chaos, reinforcing the theme of conflict. In conclusion, stage lighting is more than just illumination. It is a creative tool that adds meaning, emotions, and focus to a theatrical performance. It guides the audience's eyes, helps express the story, and transform an ordinary stage into a powerful visual experiences. So, that's all. Thank you.